The one project we are working right now is a project which is focusing on. It's a smart city project, and it's focusing on the detecting of trash and in general any type of issues that the modern city might have, right? So it's a trash infrastructure monitoring, and then analysis of recreational zone. So our customer is a municipality of one of the largest cities in Saudi Arabia, and they are really engaged with us and fascinated by AI, which is allows them to really streamline the process of detecting the issue for a city. It's not only about the detection, it's also creating the tickets, right? So notifying the city authority about the issues city has. For now, we have trained a model which focusing only on trash. So it uses images captured by drone, RGB images. No, we don't use yet a hyperspectral or other types of sensors, but RGB is good enough in order to deal with this problem. We are discussing other potential use cases like analysis of recreational zone, whether the plants in the city park are watering enough, so or they need some additional, some additional care. So this is the main focus. Currently, drones are operated manually, completely manually, right? So you have to have operator which is flying, controls the drone, but eventually this is going to be automatized as well. So, and then when it's done, it would be end-to-end solution, completely automated, where you would have to, where the city municipality would have the full control on the overview on the city problems.
Okay, that's a very big overview. So I think I'll just do a short recap of what Ivan talked about, like basically the applications for drone and satellite, how do I call it? Detection, like image analysis using drones and satellite could be used in not only environmental applications like, saving the forest or monitoring the forest, the trash and so on, and the sea, but also the food production. So like as Ivan said, precision agriculture, so that you avoid food waste as well and make sure that everything goes in working condition. And then as well to monitor the cities. So like the trash and also the graffitis and stuff. So there are these three main applications so far in AI Superior.
Yeah, and I think from the wide variety of applications that Ivan already outlined for us, I can see that this kind of solution has like 3 layers of development and abstractions. That first layer is like the automation of the drones, that right now it's not automated, it's performed by humans. The second layer is basically the object detection or object segmentation layer, which is basically identifying in the picture collected by the drones or by the satellites the objects. So if it's object detection, we are speaking of understanding whether there is or not an object in the picture. If it's object segmentation, is understanding where the object is in the picture and how much of the picture that object covers. And then there's like, and those actually 2 layers are not so easy to develop. They require a lot of also data collections. But then there's also like a third layer that I think can be built on top of these applications. And that's, I think, where a lot of application in digital transformation could go, especially for municipalities and smart cities. And that is, once you have that data, what do you do with that data? Is it like you can do prediction models to understand, for example, where you should intensify the rubbish collection because it's not fast enough, or understanding how to, like, a prediction model of how the roads will crack, for example, understanding the evolution in time. So there's really a lot of opportunities there.